I do not care for Zeus, but perhaps I could lend him some empathy. Born to two titans, his mother Rhea hid Zeus after his father Kronos ate Zeus's 5 older siblings. After growing up in a cave with nothing but a goat for company, Zeus poisoned Kronos, causing him to retch his 5 brothers and sisters into existence. Not exactly a happy family dinner. Zeus and his siblings rebelled against the Titans, imprisoned them, and assumed rule over the earth. Zeus married his sister Hera, and his siblings presided over their respective domains. Zeus went on to do what any poorly adjusted man would do: employ a veritable menagerie of animal forms to sleep with every woman he could. This often lacked consent and made the women's lives much worse, like the time he vaporized Dionysus's mother. Perhaps if my formative years were spent hiding from a cannibalistic father and training to kill him, I may have developed a few quirks too. But that is the Greek gods. They aren't paragons of virtue. They are occasionally noble, but often cruel. Each one of them has their good and bad side. The gods are complex, and just like us, they struggle with vice, and sometimes they fail. But other days, they live up to their virtue. And the struggle against the worst aspects of our nature is something I think every human can relate to, and it's the reason we understand the Greek gods so well to this day. They have their flaws and foibles, just like we do. Thanks for watching.